Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by picking the simplest, reliable setup, a USB mic or an XLR interface if you have it. Plug in, then open your recording app and select that mic as the input device. This tells the computer where to listen. Set the sample rate to 44, 1 or 48 kHz, and dial the input gain to low to mid so your waveform looks healthy but not clipping. Once done, record a 3-5 second test to verify sound and make adjustments before moving on. You now focus on the physical and signal details that shape sound. Position the mic about 6 to 12 inches from your mouth with a pop filter and a slight off-axis angle. This reduces plosives and keeps tone natural. Put on closed-back headphones and monitor while you speak so you hear articulation and background noise. Keep peaks around -12 dB to -6 dB to preserve headroom. Once done, record several takes with consistent distance and delivery for easier editing later. You finish by cleaning and exporting a usable file. Trim silences and breaths, normalize to around -1 to -3 decibels, and apply light compression for consistent levels. These steps make the voice sit well in playback. Use noise reduction sparingly to remove hiss, then export as WAV or a high bitrate MP3 depending on your needs. If something sounds bad, check the mic connection and input gain first, reconnect or lower gain, then re-record that take. Finally, save and back up your.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.